when she calls, she doesn't call once, twice, three. She calls 60, 70, 80 times.
Wait, what? That's not love. That's terrorism by ringtone.
In a day?
In a day? No, in about 5-minute period.
Even my toy xylophone knows when to shut up.
I mean, we have smartphones now. You know how
Redial.
You know, right?
Are you blowing up the man's phone?
Yes.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for him to act like he care. Sometimes he just seems like he don't care. I don't know what to do.
What does he do that makes you think he doesn't care? Or what does he not do that makes you think he doesn't care?
The way he reacts is not what I want. He's not affectionate enough for me. You know what I mean? I need comfort.
And you think calling him 70 times
There
an
you
hour
go. There
is
you
going to
go.
make him come home and say, ooh, baby, I love you.
Nah, sis. That's not romance. That's a tantrum with unlimited airtime.